Hello friends, in this series of videos that we are going to make a playlist in future, uh, this video takes the foremost step to begin this playlist, and in this playlist we are going to deal with the factual information regarding the ecology and environment. And since for this playlist we will deal with the biosphere reserves and their mainly how the questions can be framed from the biosphere reserves and what are the things that we need to know about the biosphere reserve and which mainly contribute location and flora and fauna of the biosphere reserve, which takes place a major role in the framing of a question in any kind of examination or even for to have a basic knowledge we would like to know about the location as well as the important flora and fauna that's present in the biosphere reserve. And one more thing that we would come to know in this video is that in this video or this series of videos we would go in detail about the chronology of the listing of the biosphere reserves and which got listed first and which got listed last, so that where the probability of making questions is high regarding this chronology, the location and the flora and fauna. And so now let's move on with our video. So first, let's see what is Man and Biosphere Program, which greatly deals with this biosphere reserves. The MAP program, which is also known as Man and Biosphere Program, has been launched in 1971. It's an intergovernment scientific program, and coming to the aim of what does the Man and Biosphere Program aim is that to improve the scientific relations between people and environment. It just aims to improve the scientific relations between people and environment. And coming to what is a biosphere reserve? This Man and Biosphere program. This mainly deals with what recognizing the biosphere reserves. So now coming to the thing, what is biosphere reserve? The biosphere reserve can be defined as a widespread areas of biodiversity wherein flora and fauna are protected. Wherever the flora and fauna are required to be protected, and there is a widespread diversity in that area. So such areas are picked up under the Man and Biosphere program and considered and recognized them as biosphere reserves. This is an international designation by UNESCO. This biosphere reserve under the MAP program. This is an international designation by what the UNESCO, and this biosphere reserves are not covered under any law. So this must be remembered that these biosphere reserves are not covered under any such kind of a law, which strengthens it. World's first recognized biosphere reserve was established in 1979. In the sense, 1971 to 1979. It took somewhere nearly around 8 years to establish the first biosphere reserve after the formation of the MAP program. And the first biosphere reserve is Fairy George National Park. So I request the viewers to comment this, location of this park. So which country does this park belong to? And I would thank you in advance for doing that task. And coming to this thing, under the MAP program, India have 12 biosphere reserves. Yeah, as we are going in Indian centric view, let's discuss that in Indian centric view. We have 12 biosphere reserves recognized under the Man and Biosphere Reserve program. They are Nilagiri, Gulf of Mannar, Sundarban, Nanda Devi, Nokrek, Panchamari, Shimli Park, Amarkantak, Great Nicobar, Agassiamala, Kanchenjunga, and Panna National Park. So Nilagiri is the first to be included, and Panna is the last. So now it's okay with first and last. In next slide, we would go in deep, like we would look at the chronology even. So this is what this 12 are completely under Man and Biosphere program, which is by UNESCO. Done. And moving to the next thing, Indian government separately. Indian government, what would we do is that we would also recognize biosphere reserve, which have high potential to get recognized in the MAP program, but they are not recognized under the MAP program, but they are of high potential to recognize under the MAP program. So these are announced by Government of India, and these biosphere reserves which are in India, which are not under the MAP program, will what these Indian government is willing to nominate these things into UNESCO's MAP program, and they are 18 in number. While the recognized are 12, we have 18 in number. Out of these 18, what's 12 minus 18? 6 things which are not yet listed under MAP program, and the rest 12 out of 18, the rest 12 are listed under MAP program, and while the 6 are not. So now let's see what are those 18 and what are these 6. So coming to this thing, the rest which are not in the yellow color are the biosphere reserves under the MAP program, and which are in yellow color are biosphere reserves which are recognized by the Indian government but not by the MAP program. So we need to have a brief look at these 6 things that are cold desert, Dihang Dibang Arunachal Pradesh, Manas Assam, Dibru Sikkim, Dibrum Sikhowa, and Kutch Gujarat, Sheshachalam Andhra Pradesh. So why do we need to know these 6 things? What does it matter? I mean, does that really matter? What happens is that they would give you 4 A, B, C, D, and they would name 4 things like cold desert and Nokrek or Spanna, Nilagiri, and they would ask you to find the which of the following is not a part of the MAP program. So in such situations, you must be able to recognize which of this is not a part of the MAP program. There it helps. And coming to now, most probably coming to the state service commissions or simple examinations, if the examiner would not in a situation to trouble you, he's in a very good mood, then it will be fine. He would ask which is the first and which is the last at max. If he's in a very bad mood, so that he wants to torture you, he wants to taunt you in the examination, then he would take an extra step forward and he would go with the chronology. So coming to the chronology, you must know that these things based on their date of getting included in the MAP program in the ascending order as well as in the descending order. So have a brief idea like 2000 Nilagiri, the beginning is 2000, that's Nilagiri Biosphere Reserve, and coming to 2001 we have 2 biosphere reserves which got included, Gulf of Mannar and Sundarbans. Coming to 2004 Nanda Devi, 2009 list out the in which of these years and high number of biosphere reserves have been included from India into MAP program, that is 2009. They are Nokrek, Panchamari and Shrimpal, and 2012 that's Amarkantak, 13 Great Nicobar, 16 Agastya Malay, 18 Kanchenjunga, and 2020 it's Panna, which has included in the MAP program recently in the last year. So have a brief idea regarding this, and I don't like to take much time of yours. Every video from tomorrow would get uploaded from with a gap of 2 to 3 days, and each video won't exceed the time limit of 5 to 10 minutes, so you can have it as a brief revision thing. And thank you for watching the video.